I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Unity editor has the Webgl build support module installed. This saves time later. Once done, open your project and immediately go to File Build Settings and switch the target platform to Webgl so assets re-import correctly. Make sure player settings are configured. Enable Webgl 2. 0. Pick appropriate compression and default resolution. These steps prepare the pipeline and prevent common build failures by aligning engine and platform settings before you build. Next, configure the build for performance and compatibility. You should choose the scripting backend and API compatibility level that your plugins require and enable code stripping to reduce size. Then set compression, broadly if serving over HTTPS for smaller downloads or disabled for easier debugging, and decide on data caching. Build a development build first and run in a browser to spot runtime issues. If performance problems appear, enable deep profiling to find bottlenecks. These adjustments control size, speed, and runtime behavior. Finally, click Build or Build and Run and choose an output folder. You'll get index, HTML, WASM, and data files ready to host. You must serve them from a static web server, Python M HTTP. Server, a node static server, or a hosting provider, so MIME types and compression are correct. If something fails, open the browser console to inspect errors, verify cores and server compression, broadly/gzip settings, and confirm the browser supports WebAssembly. That single console message usually points to the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.